The Komo box with a swing out arm. It weighs 195 pounds. Hey, I'm not a big guy. Can I put it by myself on my van? Because my wife and I are empty nesters. My kids aren't here to help anymore. Okay, so we're gonna go on a trip in a week, and we're gonna go kayaking. So I'm gonna attach this Komo to the van. So we don't take it every time we go somewhere, but when we're taking the bikes or the kayaks or whatever, we'll put it up. The whole unit weighs 195 pounds. Now when my 3 boys live at home, it was easy. I just make them put it up for me. But we're empty nesters now. Well, with this homemade carrier, I can do it on my own, and it's not breaking my back. Good?
Good. Oh, went too far. Go back a centimeter or two. Perfect.
Perfect?
Yep.
All right. And so this is where we'll just put that in there. It's not going to fit.
Okay, yeah. That's good.
Yeah, perfect. So now that the pin is in there, I'm going to remove the cart. It's not coming out because I didn't remove the strap. So take the strap off. There you go. And now you can take the cart off. Then we'll attach all the other hardware we need to secure the Komo. So we'll put the stabilizing bar with the bolts. Plug in the trailer lights. And we'll secure everything with a locking pin. Tighten that up and we're ready to travel. So when I put this together, I purchased some 5-inch wheels from Amazon, and I do recommend the bigger wheels because if they're too small, you're not going to be able to roll this over bumps. Then I got some stabilizing jacks, again from Amazon, and these are nice because with a drill you can make them go up and down. So when you're trying to figure out what height you need, it's very easy to set up. Then I got a bunch of wood, put it all together, and bam, there you go. So yep, it's not high tech, but it does the trick. Since my kids are now all out of the house, I'm ready to take the Komo box off the van because I don't need it. I'll take the hardware off, take the pin off, all that stuff. Slide the cart underneath, and I can just slide the Komo box right off with everything, and cart in the garage and store away for my next trip.